Hi, hello, another day, another shoe. Welcome back to Star V Trend. I'm DeAndre, and like I just said, we have another shoe to review. Mystery, but let's get right into it. Okay, we have the shoe here. It's a Nike shoe. Definitely haven't reviewed it as much. I'm more of an Adidas guy, but we'll see. Okay, so we have some Jordans. We got the Air Jordan 1s. Oh yes. Oh yes. White metallic gold colorway. I really want these shoes. So I think this is gonna be a good one. Right, so we have them here. Air Jordan 1s. And there is quite a bit to unpack. To be honest, I did think they were going to be highs. I do prefer the highs. But if you like lows, then these are definitely some real nice shoes. They're the Spades. As you can see, we've got the Spades here. Although, that makes me think, if they're Spades, why wouldn't they have a bit more black? That's just my opinion. Undersole here is red. So it is a bit trippy, but I can see the card vibe. You've got a K for king over here. And on the right shoe, you've got a Q for queen over here. Now, I think the most obvious feature that is very different and unique is this pattern that goes all around the shoe. And I think it's just so nice. Honestly, this shoe, for me, is so aesthetically pleasing. Like, you know, we've got these just little bits of gold. The ticks are gold. And then on the tongue here, we have that golden spade with the Jordan logo. And then the lettering is just really nice. Although what I'm not too much of a fan of is the fact that this sole here is a different color to the actual main parts of the shoe. However, it does mirror the laces. So you could say that that's pretty nice as well. But this creamy color on the sole, yeah, it really does complement the red. And I really like that. There's not much that I dislike about this shoe. It's honestly all round just really, really nice. I really, really like these. So here we are, my final thoughts on the Air Jordan Lows Spades. Now, I do really, really like them, if you can tell already. I think on foot, they are much more comfortable than Air Force Ones. You know, they have been quite a big hype lately, but these Air Jordans, they're probably going to put them out of business because they look similar, but there's more design, more uniqueness with the Air Jordan 1s, and the comfort is just on a different level. And I think these shoes, they are actually pretty good summer shoe as well. I think they'll definitely be in season. You could definitely rock these with a pair of shorts. I mean, they're Jordans at the end of the day. So yeah, overall cop. But let me know what you think in the comments. And if you haven't, please like and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm out. Have a good day.